So the lesson today is how to put a dock in, the old-fashioned way. This is where we're at. We got our pier over here, and there's the dock. And I had to dig this little trench here because Mother Nature brought in this unbelievable berm over the winter. The wind brought me this beautiful piece of foam a few years ago, and this is what I use to float out the end. It makes it a whole lot easier. The thing about this job is every year it's different. I'm on a crazy angle here. I've got my rollers placed about where I can. Let's see if this is going to work. It took the buggy to get it this far. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can pick it up. Got to reposition this roller here. This thing is going to come crashing down. The trick is to angle it a little more due north so that when we get these storms coming in, it doesn't pulverize it. All right, I better get the pier out here. This is the way it always is, by the way. Half an hour later and all the tricky stuff is done. The hardest thing is, like, it's really a two-person job. The hardest thing is getting it up and getting it over some studs. Okay. If I'm lucky, and I am, look at that. Dad always said pick the right tool for the job. I'm not really doing that, but then he was a vice grips guy. I'm just tightening up the last of the bolts here. It's kind of tricky because I really can't see where the nut is, and of course I got the wrong tools. There it is. All right, things are coming along well. Now I got to brace the pier right on the end here. Otherwise the wind and the waves can knock it left and right. So I just look for really heavy, great big flat rocks, and I position them on top of this. I think that'll do, at least for now. Okay, the water duty's done, so I was able to get out of the neoprene zoot suit. So about the last thing I need to do now is just to shore up this end with some great big rocks on each side. And this is about it, at least for now. A few rocks on top just for safety.